Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's make this simple coconut cake together. I have my egg here, so I just add my sugar, and this is my coconut milk. So it's the coconut milk we are making today. I'm going to turn everything together, mix it very well. I just keep mixing everything together to be well combined. Now I'm going to stiff my flour. So I'm add my baking powder also into the flour. So I'm just going to stiff everything together. It's very important to stiff flour. Look at the little buns on it. If you doesn't stiff it, then will not get combined very easily. So now I continue my mixing, guys. If you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share to friends and family. Let's continue with the video, guys. Yeah, I'm going to add my oil. I'm using oil for this recipe today, so I will continue mixing just a little oil. So now I'm going to mix everything together. Cake is full of mixing. Just mix it, mix very well. Look at it, it's getting fluffy now. You can see the difference between beginning and now. I'm done with the mix. You can see how fluffy it is now. So I'm just going to put butter on my mold to make it easy when I'm done. When the cake is ready, to make it easy to remove very easily. That is the reason why you should put oil, butter on your pan. I also use baking paper to make it more easier. So now I'm just going to put our cake on the pan. This cake will go for 180 degrees for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, just check and it will be done. So our cake is ready to go to the oven now for 30 minutes, guys. Our cake is ready. Look yummy. So my kitchen smell amazing. It's coconut. The odor here is really nice. So let's see what we have inside here, guys. Let's bring out something to cut it and see what we have. I believe it will be tasting nice also. It looks beautiful. I hope to have good taste from it also. Wow, look at how beautiful it is. Oh my god, this cake is yummy. Wow, look at this nice color. Wow, you also taste amazing. Thank you for watching. Bye.